We love Hakka to enrich your Taiwan experience. Learn about Hakka language and culture.
每天收听客家风情，学习另一种不同文化，让你生活更有趣。
Hello everyone, it is time for our Hakka lesson of the day.Hello，
你好，大家好，我是 Alice 彭。
Alice， 有没有发觉我的声音不太一样？
错啊，
比较罗曼蒂克一点。Alice， 你还好吧？
那
OK，
强到哎。
对，因为这就是情人节之月嘛，对不对？所以今天来讲一些罗曼蒂克的事情好了，
好啊，
好不好？
好，
难得可以跟 Alice 这样子。I'm just kidding. Let's get serious right now. All right, let's teach you a few things about Valentine's here. And first of all, you know everyone wants to say Happy Valentine's. 那顺便也可以叫情人节怎么说？情人节快乐怎么说？
情人节快乐。
情人节快乐。
快乐。
快乐 Okay, 快乐 that means happy, and 情人节 that's Valentine's Day or Lover's Day basically. You should buy some gifts. 要买礼物。礼物。礼物 that's gifts. Okay, very easy. I know everyone has to buy roses. 玫瑰花这是必备的东西啊。对，玫瑰花怎么说？
玫瑰花。
你在提醒我买贵的花。
哎呦，
不是啊，
玫瑰花。
哦，玫瑰花就是玫瑰花吗？
错。
哦，原来哈卡早就知道玫瑰花是贵的花，就买桂花。聪明。那玫瑰花可能要买一朵。
哈，爱说我。一蕊。
Okay, 一蕊。Okay, that's just one rose, okay? Which means you're the one and only. Or the most common one is buying a dozen. 其实很多人就是买一打啦。一打怎么说？
一打。
Okay, 一打 that's a dozen. Or perhaps you are a love saint and you want to go for the maximum. You want to buy 99 roses. 99朵玫瑰花。99蕊。Oh, that's 99 roses. Okay, so if I want to go to a flower shop and I want to buy 99 roses, I would say 我愛買99蕊玫瑰花。玫瑰花。
玫瑰花。送我媽啥？
唔錯。
嘛梗唔錯。
你說我要送你嗎？
我講你要送本嘛啥啦？
什麼意思？
你要送給誰？
我不跟你說。That does it for our Hakka lesson of the day.
什麼太噶？
俺只say張來了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制，邀您一起体验另一种不同的客家文化之美。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Council for Hakka Affairs of the Executive Yuan to enrich your Taiwan experience.